In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show storage capacity in Yahoo Mail on computer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your mailbox storage meter and how to open the panel that shows how much space you've used and what options you have to manage it. Start by opening Yahoo Mail in a web browser on your computer and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the new Yahoo Mail interface. That's the version this guide refers to. If the layout looks modern with a left sidebar for folders and a clean message list in the center, you're in the right place. Give the page a second to fully load so all interface elements appear. Now look for the storage indicator in the corner of your mail window. It lives near your mailbox folders, typically toward the lower edge of the sidebar. Depending on your screen size or zoom level, it might appear at the bottom of the left panel or slightly tucked away. If you don't see it at first glance, try scrolling the sidebar, collapsing any extra sections, or widening the browser window so the full left panel is visible. Once you spot the storage label, click it. This opens a panel that shows your current usage and total capacity. You'll see how much space you've used so far. And you may also see tools to manage storage directly from that panel. From here, Yahoo often lets you free up space by removing items you no longer need, or it may present an option to subscribe for additional storage if you're running low and prefer not to delete anything. Take a moment to review what the panel shows so you understand your current usage. If you decide to free up space, a few quick wins usually help. Emptying trash and spam often reclaims a surprising amount of storage. Consider removing old newsletters or promotional emails you no longer need. If you have messages with large attachments, download what you want to keep to your computer or cloud storage, then delete the emails to reduce usage. Just be careful as you remove items. Once you empty trash, those messages are typically gone for good. After making changes, give the storage meter a moment to update. That's all there is to it. Open the new Yahoo Mail, find the storage area in the corner of the interface, and click it to view and manage your mailbox capacity. Check it periodically to stay ahead of limits and keep your inbox running smoothly. If this helped, you're all set to keep your storage in check.